Hi everyone, this is Mia from Mia More Life. I wanted to do a quick unboxing video for this laptop computer stand that I ordered on Amazon. If you've been here before, thanks for coming back. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. And please hit that subscribe button down below so we can be YouTube friends. If you've been following me on Facebook or Instagram, then you've probably seen that I am doing a little bit of a redesign of my office because I felt like it was a little too cluttered and my neck was starting to hurt from using the computer, so I wanted to put it higher up, more at eye level. And this one was on Amazon. It had good reviews and it was fairly inexpensive, like definitely I think it was under $20. So let's check it out. There we go. And this is the PLPTS25 laptop computer stand, and it says for DJ, but from what I saw, it could easily hold your computer. That's what it's supposed to look like. And you're supposed to be able to change the height from 6.3 inches to 10.6 inches, and it can hold up to 8 pounds. Perfect. All right. Let's see. Oh, these are not instructions. Ooh. Okay. This just says register within 30 days to activate a free 1-year warranty with us. It says that in an effort to get initial reviews and feedback, we are giving away our newest items to eligible customers free of charge. Well, I wish I had known that before. Before I paid for it. And they're talking about their customer service, and they have support, all that good stuff. Okay, I think I'm gonna need a picture. Yeah, I think it's a little odd it doesn't come with directions. But, okay, here we go. So we have 2 of these. Okay, so these 2 hold your computer. So it's gonna go like that. Okay, these are the 2 tension rods. And then these, I think, are the bottoms. So it goes like this. No. There we go. Okay, so from the picture, this curved part, it goes like this. So curved part here, dots go up. And then you want the smooth side to be facing outwards. So outwards, and then the little lip you want facing towards you so your computer doesn't fall over, with the smooth side out again. So this is what I think it's going to look like. Here are the screws to hold these bars in. So 2, 3, 4, 5, there's 6 of them. And I'm gonna put the first one, I'm just gonna do what it has in the pictures, which is at the 3rd one. Oh, theirs has more. So the 3rd one, oh, and then this goes on. So 3rd one up, 3rd one down, with 2 in the middle. So line up the 3rd hole and the last hole. And then 1, 2, 3. Okay, I'm gonna flip it over. And just screw in the tension rods this way. All right, 1 down. Then I'm just gonna do the same thing. 3rd one. On the 3rd one. Okay, this is probably a lot easier than I'm making it. So this goes up. I'm gonna start out with the base. And just loosely screw it, just so I can get this thing standing. Okay. Here's the next one. All right. Okay, that wasn't so hard. And then these are those little soft pads, and they have stickies on the back. And these go here to protect your computer. Sorry, you can't see that, can you? Here to protect your computer. Then also near the back to protect your computer. And then you still have 4 more. And I'm guessing you would put those underneath to protect your working surface. So I'm gonna put those on, but first let's just see if it can hold my computer. All right, it does indeed. I wish you could see this a little bit better, but I'll take a photo. So here are the rods, and then you can adjust them up and down. And also put a keyboard underneath it. But now when I look at this, it's definitely at eye level, the screen, which you can't really see, but all right, we did it. I'm gonna add on these little pads and then show you guys a picture with it all set up. Overall, I would say it is a great product. It holds my computer up. It's not too bulky. I didn't want something huge on my desk. And my only complaint is that there's no instructions. And I mean, I consider myself an IKEA assembling master. I mean, I got this assembled, but it would have been a lot faster if there were just some simple instructions instead of having to reference the photo. 4.5 out of 5 stars. And if I have any problems with it, I will let you guys know. If you have used this or anything similar, something to make your office and workspace more ergonomic, please leave me a comment and let me know what you think of this one. Let me know if you have any suggestions, because I have a great chair from Staples that's been working really well. Now I have this laptop stand, and I'll be getting an external keyboard. I definitely have some like neck pain and shoulder pain from staring at the computer, kind of having my neck down and probably not sitting up straight. So if you have any other suggestions, then leave me a comment, give this video a thumbs up, and be sure to subscribe. Thanks, guys.